Alrighty, hey guys, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me, we do have a 2019 Toyota RAV4. This one is going to be the XLE trim level. We did take a look at the LE trim level last week, but this one's going to be in magnetic gray metallic with the black cloth interior. As you can see, a couple exterior differences, including those alloy wheels that do look nice. Coming to our window sticker, you'd have that magnetic gray metallic 19 XLE front wheel drive. As far as options go, you do have the XLE convenience package, which includes the power seat, heated front seats, height adjustable power lift gate, and such like that. And then you also do have the carpeted floor mats and phone charger for a total of $30,068. Gas mileage is going to be 26 city, 35 out on the highway. Taking a look at our wheels, riding on Firestone tires, and these are going to be your 17-inch alloys. Nice simple 5-spoke design. Then coming around back, rear backup camera, of course. You do have those dual outlet chrome tip exhaust, which do look nice. And then we'll go ahead and step in. That black cloth interior. This one does have 30 miles on it. So foot on the brake, button to start. So let's check out underneath the hood. And coming underneath our hood, we do have the 2.5 liter dual overhead cam inline 4. Does have dual variable valve timing with intelligence, and then it's going to produce 203 horsepower, 184 foot-pounds of torque, all going to the front wheels through an 8-speed automatic. There are going to be 3 drive modes. You'd have an eco, normal, and sport mode, as well as all-wheel drive available, as well as a hybrid powertrain. You also do have TSSP 2.0 on this vehicle, which has all of the standard features from TSSP, but adds full-speed radar cruise, so it will come to a complete stop, lane tracing assist, as well as lane keep assist, and you also do have road sign assist, so any road signs that are red will just be displayed in your gauges. Let's check out the interior. Now coming over here to your mirror, it is going to be body color, turn signal indicator. You also have blind spot monitoring standard on your XLE trim. Now coming in, you can see you do have your 8-way power driver seat with your power lumbar right there. This is going to be the black option of the interior. There is a lighter gray option also available. Now door panel materials, all nice and padded, soft touch on your armrest. Power windows, locks, mirrors. You do have your door storage down below. Over here to the left of the steering wheel, you do have some storage as well as your automatic high beams and your power trunk right there. You can adjust the height manually or through the gauge cluster. Now stepping in, coming to your steering wheel, it is going to be a 3-spoke urethane wrapped wheel. Over on the left, 4-way D-pad for that center LCD between your gauges. You also do have audio as well as Bluetooth and voice commands down here on the left. Over on the right, you do have that full-speed dynamic radar cruise, lane keep assist with lane trace, as well as your skip and mode buttons for your audio. Over on the left, automatic headlights, fog lights, as well as over on the right, you do have your variable intermittent speed wipers and rear wiper controls. Now coming to your in-tune audio, you do have Apple CarPlay on this vehicle, but coming to your sources, we'll check those out. You do have your AM, FM, USB, Bluetooth streaming audio, iHeartRadio, Slacker, as well as NPR, all through your in-tune app suite. You also do have auxiliary. Going to your presets, there's going to be 36 presets. And then going to your map, you can download the Scout navigation to have integrated navigation through your head unit, or you can use your Apple CarPlay. Apps, all of those are available when you do connect up your phone as well. Down below here, you do have your dual zone auto climate opposed to the single zone manual climate on the LE trim level. You also do have driver, front passenger, fan speed, as well as zones right here. You also do have an eco mode for the heating and cooling system. Down here, part of the XLE convenience pack, dual stage heated seats. And then down here, you also do have your USB auxiliary 12-volt outlet and storage. Right here, you do have your brake hold feature, power parking brake, as well as your 3 drive modes that we previously mentioned, eco, normal, and sport. There's going to be that 8-speed automatic, sport mode and manual shift. And then you do have your rear backup camera right there. It does have rear cross traffic alert, part of the blind spot monitoring. Cup holders, nice padded armrest with 2 charging USBs down in there. Plenty of room in your glove box over here, and then you also do have a nice little shelf right there. manually dimming rearview mirror with your map lights, as well as your SOS Safety Connect and automatic power sunroof. Go ahead and close that up. Mirror and vanity lights on your sun visor right here. So let's go ahead and check out the rear seat. Now, getting into the rear seat, of course, you do have your follow-through padded armrest, power window, and door storage. As you can see an overview right there, we do have our armrest that we'll take a look at, as well as the vents and the charging USBs down there. But coming in, this seat was slid a little bit farther back than I would have it for my 5'9" frame, and I still do have plenty of room, as well as foot room down below. Those vents, USBs, you do have one seat mount pocket. Then over here to the right, that nice padded armrest with cup holders. Up top, the roof does dip back up to give you plenty of headroom for your rear seat passengers, dome light, as well as your grab handles. So let's check out the cargo area and then we can wrap up the video. Now coming around back, to activate your power trunk, there is a button on the key, as well as a button underneath the Toyota logo. Just press that and we'll open right up. The key does not work if the vehicle is on. Coming back here, as you can see, this rear cargo mat that did come with the vehicle. You also do have your temporary spare tire and jack looking underneath there. Rear seats do fold down 60/40, and you do have your nice tonneau cover to keep prying eyes off your stuff. Over here to the left, or to the right rather, we do have our illumination and a 12-volt outlet. You can adjust the height manually by pressing and holding this button at your desired height, or there is 5 different presets in the gauges. But that just about wraps it up for the 2019 Toyota Rav4 XLE. If you guys have any questions about this trim level in particular or the Rav4 in general, feel free to leave them down below. I'd be happy to answer anything I know. But once again, this is Garrison over at Massey, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.